Verifying your identity on Thinkific Plus is an essential step to ensure the security of your account and access to its features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Thinkific Plus account using your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure and private internet connection to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is typically found in the profile menu, which can be accessed from the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Locate the identity verification section. In the account settings, look for the identity verification or security section. This area will provide you with the necessary options to start the verification process. Step 4. Submit required documents. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm submission and wait for approval. After submitting your documents, confirm that your submission has been received. You will typically receive a notification regarding the status of your verification within a few business days. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity on Thinkific Plus. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Thinkific support for assistance.